So what's up guys, I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in this video we will know how to print text or word on the output screen with the help of printf function. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, so in the last video we were discussed about how a computer program or C program works and how a computer understands our program. Okay, so for type of any text or word on the output screen, we generally use this function printf. Okay, then need to type parenthesis and then semicolon. Between these parentheses we need to type our statement or word, whatever we want to print on the output screen. Okay, whatever we want to print, you just need to put it in between the double quotation mark in this here. As you can see, wait, okay, here you can see, oh wait, between these double quotation mark we need to type whatever we want to print on the output screen. So I want to print hello Nikki. Okay, as you can see, I've typed it on this my screen, and if I want to type print the second line, as I'm going to type the same function printf, then parenthesis, then double quotation mark. Here I will type, hey guys, like my video. Okay, as you can see, and don't forget to type the semicolon in the end of line, otherwise your computer will show you an error. Okay, for this for execute this this program we need to use this, but I will suggest you to go to this extension icon. Okay, and here search for code runner. Okay, wait, here you can see code runner. You click on this second, this is developed by Junhan. Okay, go to this, and it works on C, C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Perl, Ruby, Go, Lua, and any most of languages. Okay, so click on this install button. It is installing, and you can see it is installed, and show this icon over here, run code. Okay, so I'm going to please download this for easily run your executor program. As I click on it, it will automatically show the output of my program. Okay, wait, as you can sorry, wait for it. As you can see, hello. Oh, I have clicked on it many times. Let me click on once. As you can see, hello Nikki, hey, like my video. Oh, it is not print in the second line because we didn't tell our computer to print it in the second line, and go to click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to for some setting for the code runner. So click on this gear icon and then click on settings, then in the setting, wait for it, close the terminal, and here in the user setting, if you change in the workplace setting, so it means it will be only changed for this C tutorials folder. So I'm going to change it for the user, it will completely change for the all folders. Okay, so here search for code runner. Oh wait, code runner. Okay, and for this I recommend you to make sure that, okay, wait, okay, and previous clear previous output. It means if you have some previous output over here, if I uncheck it, okay, and I want to run this program, and here my program is run and previous output is shown, hey hello Nikki, hey, like my videos. You can see, if you want to clear all these previous outputs, so you just need to check this box here, and then you can see if I run it again, it will clear the previous output. Oh wait, I didn't save this settings. Okay, whether to clear previous output before each run. Okay, as now I want to run this again. Oh, I didn't save my settings. Okay, so after save this, echo hello, and you just need to do this what I am doing. Okay, please don't do something extra. Okay, code runner, and wait, yes, here we will get this option, code runner run in terminal. So check this box to, if I uncheck it and I run my program, so it will run in the output screen and not in terminal. And now I can't edit or type anything in this output screen, but in the terminal I can type or give the values. Okay, so check this box where that sorry no this. Okay, where he has gone, run in terminal. Okay, and also click on this checkbox, save file before run. We no need to save the program again and again before run, so we can directly run it from here. Okay, so this is the extension for run your program easily. Okay, so as you can see, I have type this statement and I want to print it on the output screen. So just click on this run code, and here you can see hello Nikki, hey like my videos, and now you can see my all the previous output has cleared. Okay, whenever I double again run it. So first let me close the terminal, and here I want to add a new line, printf double quotation, and here I want to type how are you all. Okay, and then don't forget to type semicolon and make your computer to type it into new line, and I want to run this program. Okay, you can see hey like my videos, how are you all, hello Nikki. All these three statements are easily print on my output screen or in terminal. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can save the whole playlist for learn C programming. I will give the playlist link in the video description, so you can check from there and save into your history. Okay, bye bye guys, we will meet again in the next tutorial. Goodbye.